Hello everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name's Jordy Johnson at Carving Fusion. So 2022, it's a new year, so I figured it's time to tone it back a bit and do more of a back to the basics video series. So this video series is going to be on all the Dremel tools that I use, like the Dremel, the Foredom, the sanders, the finish, the bits that I use, even the type of wood that I use. So it's going to be a bunch of series. It's going to be a series in my playlist. We'll call it all the Dremel tools I use to wood carve. Okay, so because there's lots of new subscribers coming in, and it just makes it simple to have it in a playlist, and I can direct anybody in there because I've been getting lots of emails. So I'll show you guys and remember, this is for the very beginning people that think that they might want to start wood carving or just started, okay? So like on this channel, we'll carve silly faces like this, okay? We'll carve little trees like this, okay? We'll even do spoons. We'll carve skulls. Skulls once in a while. And my favorite thing to carve right here is the wood spirit. So this is basically what I love carving, and I can carve these all day long, every day, right? So this is a wood spirit. So there is lots of tutorials on how to carve a wood spirit, but myself, just like you guys, you progress, right? So when I think I progress, that's when I kind of make a new video for the how to carve a wood spirit. So yeah, once again, this is my favorite thing to carve. So I don't want to waste any of your time. So like I said, this is going to be my intro video for my YouTube channel. And look in my playlist for all the Dremel tools I use to carve for this series. And, you know, I just want to say that, you know, if you've dibbled and dabbled in all kinds of art and something is inside of you telling you that you need to create, try wood carving. Because I'm just like you. I got TBI, traumatic brain injury, like 13 years ago, but it still affects me. I found art. I started painting. Painting really didn't cut it for me. Then I started dabbling in wood carving, and everything changed since then. I found something that I love to do, and I continue to do it. And it's a loved passion that I have. So you guys, if I'm able to help you, I hope this series will be able to help you, and you can start figuring out how to use the Dremel tools and all that sorts of stuff. Okay, so let's get on with it. And this will be the first video. This will be the first video. The second video, I'm going to go over the Dremel tools, what I use. Wow, there's going to be a lot to go over in this series. From micro carvers, from wood burners, from all the different bits, from foot pedals to the peterblair sanding minerals, from Dremels, from Foredoms, from dust mask to paint, to wood burning, to cheap rotary tools, to all more bits, to wood finishes. Yep, there's a lot to go over. Might be a lot of videos, but let's start off with the Dremel. The Dremel 4000 with the flex shaft.